All right, today's going to be a lazy day of river fishing. I'm probably going to throw around a few lures, but for the most part, I plan on just kind of hanging out on the riverbank, soaking a few night crawlers and seeing what bites. I'll be hitting up a few different spots, but for the most part, yeah, I'll just be fishing on the bottom using river rigs with a night crawler. So I'm going to get out there and see what we can get. There you go. Tossing around the paddle tail swim jig. Something picked it up right there. What do we got? Pike. Sweet. What a little guy. Fling him up here. All right, there we go. Nice little pike to get us started here. I know I said I was going to mostly be fishing worms, but I decided to throw around a lure just to see if I can get anything. And right off the bat, we got ourselves a nice little pike here. Awesome. See ya. There you go. Line just went slack. I knew something was on there. I'm guessing a carp. He's taking some drag. I'm saying it's a carp. Yep, looks like it. Let's see if I can get him in without him getting wrapped up around a log. They're notorious for doing that. He doesn't feel like a very big one. There's a lot of little 5 to 10 pounders in this river. If you're lucky, you'll get a 15 to 20, but I'd say 5 to 10 pounds is the average. Come on. Oh yeah, it's a carp. All right, well, he's not a monster, but look at the girth on him. Big belly there. I don't know if it's a female filled with eggs or what, but not a very long carp. But second species, I will take it. Bit of a slow bite today, so not complaining. Let's get this guy back in. See ya, buddy. Ooh, right there. What is that? Wasn't expecting that. Yeah, it looks like a little smallmouth, maybe? Yeah, a little smallie. Nice. All right, tossing around an inline spinner now. My the paddle tail jig I was using got snagged and broke off, but Looks like a size 3 inline spinner is working quite well. There we go. Been a while since I had any fish activity here. Just messing around outside a little sewer right now. All right, little green sunfish, species number 4. Slow bite, getting desperate. Well, there you go. What's that? Is that a smallmouth? Oh, what? What, are you serious? How did he get off? Oh, man. I think that was a smallmouth. I'm going to have to go back and replay that. Oh, man. That's disappointing. There you go. What's this? Oh, bluegill. Very feisty little guy. I think that's, what, species number 5. Yeah. I'm just standing here fishing with a worm on the bottom. I'm not even putting it in the rod holder. Just tossing it out a few feet in front of me and waiting for the rod tip to start twitching. Ooh, what is this? Is that a bluegill? Oh, it's a rock bass. Awesome. Well, it's a decent rock bass too. This is actually the first one I've caught all year. I haven't caught any rock bass yet this year. Oh, that's a cool catch. Nice. All right, well, as you can see, the sun has set. It's getting dark out, so I got to get back to my car before I get a ticket for being here after hours. Overall, the bite was a little bit slower than I had anticipated these last couple of days, but I had a good time. I mean, I got into, I think, 6 different species of fish. So, yeah, who can complain? Pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.